Hello, today I'm teaching you how to cook biryani. This is my basic biryani recipe. So in a pot we're gonna put in our chicken, which would be about 2 kg chicken we're using over here with 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoon biryani masala. I'm using Shan right now. 1 tablespoon dhania powder, 2 tablespoon kudi lal mirch, 2 tablespoon pisti lal mirch. You can make it as spicy as you want. I'm using 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it all well together and set it aside. I felt like I wanted to add some potatoes, so I'm adding some potatoes. Tomatoes are used in the gravy as well as in the dum, so we cut them in two different shapes. For the rice water, we need 1 tablespoon zira, 2 padya ke phul, 2 badi elaichi, 1 inch darchini, 4 elaichis, 4 piece javitri, and that will be all it. In your water, add your spices and add some salt and let it boil separately for some time. As long the water is gonna boil, it's gonna change color and it would taste more better. In a pot, add your chicken and let it fry on each side and stir it up a little. Then cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to high flame. Now for your dum, these are like optional things, but they do make your biryani taste better. If you don't want your potatoes to bake, then you can boil your potatoes separately. In a pot, add haldi, salt, and let your potatoes boil for 5 to 10 minutes. When they're soft, then set them aside with cold water. When you see your gravy has water in it, then you add your brown onions into it. Adding in your tomatoes with it, and then start stirring. When making biryani, remember that your masala needs to taste a little more salty than regular. Cover up the biryani and let it cook till the oil separates from the salan. You have to have a little more oil in your chicken biryani as it does not have oil content in it. You don't have to overcook your chicken as it would break. Now time for rice. For rice I'm using 4.5 cup of basmati rice, which is long grained. So I have soaked my rice for half an hour, put it in the water that we were boiling. The rice has to be halfway cooked if you want your biryani to have the long grain results. In the same pot that we were boiling the rice, now we're going to put everything in layers. I'm using orange food coloring and also I'm using fresh coriander in it. I do like to add kevra water on my biryani in the last. I smoke my biryani with a coal and that makes it way better in taste and smell. On low flame, you have to steam your biryani for 20 minutes for best result. Toss your biryani and serve it hot and enjoy. And for more easy content, please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you again in the next video.